On Wednesday afternoon at The Hague, Netherlands, the International Court of Justice delivered a landmark ruling that is likely to reverberate across the climate change spectrums for years to come. Led by the president of ICJ, Yuji Iwasawa, the ruling affirmed that a clean, healthy and sustainable environment is a human right, stating that climate must be protected for present and future generations. The decision sent shockwaves around the world, with players in climate change space terming the ruling as a major win for countries in the global south that have been at the mercy of major climate-induced calamities like drought, hurricanes, floods, among others.
Global South is not at the negotiation table begging. We are only fighting for our rights. It is our right to have a healthy environment. It is our right to develop. It is our right to see that the future generations are not burdened by the impacts of what has been caused before they arrive on Mother Earth.
The Pan-African Climate Justice Alliance Chair of Political and Technical Affairs, Augustine Jamshi, says the ruling gives developing countries more authority to hold to account the big polluters, especially in the global north. But law experts have been quick to say that though the ruling by the Hague-based court is non-binding, it will have far-reaching consequences, coming with major legal weight and moral authority. The Iwasawa-led court made it clear that countries must set their goals under the Paris Agreement, which aligns with the 1.5 degrees Celsius temperature target, affirming that failing to protect the planet from the impacts of climate change may be a violation of international law.
Warming of 1.5 degrees Celsius is not considered safe for most nations, communities, ecosystems, and sectors, and poses significant risks to natural and human systems.
The United Nations top court further opined that countries have a duty to protect migrants whose livelihoods would be endangered by climate change in their home countries.
Using the transitional justice approach, which takes care of the past injustices, past and present injustices with the promise of never repeating them, we have been pushing this approach over the last 5 years.
Climate change experts and advisors are now scrutinizing the ruling by ICJ to see how it will shape the climate dialogue going forward.
The ruling by the International Court of Justice at The Hague, the Netherlands, set the ball rolling for developing countries to press charges against developed countries for the climate scenes, both historical, present, and in the future. For Channel One Business, I'm O'Brien.